To show a fabric or print design on the work area or within the pattern pieces, go to File, Fabric Pattern. Click under the Bitmap file heading, and select an image file. Images can be BMP, JPEG, PNG, or other image file formats. By default, the repeat values for X and Y match the dimensions of the image. Enter the dimensions of the image to repeat at real scale, and click OK. When prompted to save this fabric pattern profile, click Cancel for now. We will explain fabric pattern profiles later in this video. To display the image as a background on the entire work area, toggle the Show Fabric on Work Area tool in the toolbar. To display the image clipped within the pattern pieces, toggle the Show Pieces Fabric tool. To edit the repeat size, go to File, Fabric Pattern, and enter the new repeat size in X and Y. Fabric patterns can be added for each material in a style. Go to File, Fabric Pattern, then right-click in the first column in the table, and click Add Material to the list. Select the image for the first material. By default, the system uses the file name as the material code. Change the material code to match the material name used in the style, in this case, Self. Click OK, then click Cancel again when prompted to save the fabric pattern profile. Now when the Show Pieces Fabric tool is toggled, the pieces with material code, Self, will display the corresponding fabric pattern. Toggling the Show Fabric on Work Area tool will still display the first selected fabric pattern as a background on the workspace. You can add fabric patterns for every material in the style. When you are satisfied with the fabric pattern settings applied to this style, you can save the settings as a profile. In the Fabrics Profile dialog, click the Save Profile As button, and save this fabric pattern profile. You can also save a fabric pattern profile when prompted after adding a new fabric pattern to the list, as shown earlier in this video. Now, the next time you open this style, you do not need to add every fabric pattern again. Instead, simply click the Open Profile button, and select the saved profile. The system loads the saved images, repeat dimensions, and material codes. You can load a saved fabric pattern profile for other styles as well. Just make sure the material codes in the profile match the material codes used in the style. Please note that this tool is for reference and design purposes only. The artwork is not embedded in the pattern pieces for printing. To learn how to embed artwork within the pattern pieces that can be exported for printing, please see the artwork help video.